Hey guys, so I'm going on with the task of evaluating the tasks to the new SDK, and I'm researching into Kafka this time. So let's hear the rest of the team.
Working on some UI tasks, and also in the background I'm working on the research. That's it.
So I'm working on some design tasks before the ICO will finish. That's all.
Yeah, me too. Like Yawan and Anatoly, working on the post-ICO UI task to prepare the homepage to the day after for tomorrow.
I created the work for it. So basically created tasks since Thursday and also today for the post-ICO phase of the website. And also starting to work on proposal, basically the next phase of proposal to a very important prospect of ours, a car manufacturer. And this is it.
Great, so see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Hey everybody, Joe Lapardo here. Yesterday the main focus was around some email copy, some social copy, some new website developments, and some partnership work. Today also the main focus has been around continuing on that partnership work and then also making sure the website and we have the emails ready for the actual end of the token sale coming up here shortly. Thanks everyone, have a great day.
Hi everyone, today is the second to last day of the token sale, so I'm staying true to my mission and providing support for people who have questions with KYC and the token sale contribution process, making sure that everyone who wants to participate can. I'm also keeping social media going and everybody updated as necessary. See you tomorrow.
Hey everyone, so today was mostly email and catching up on some administration, set up some calls with Davalan's candidates for later this week, and I spent some time on a Telegram channel with the community. That's it for me today. Talk to you guys soon.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So today I started the day with editing the DailyDAV, and then I downloaded some materials and templates to start tweaking with in order to make the new DailyDAV opener. After that, Tal and Lior asked me to make a video presentation showcasing our technology and abilities in order to show to one big automotive company. And then I edited that video and finished it and sat with Tal again to make final corrections. And that's it for now. See you next time.